You can hear the Carter fuel pump a little bit, but nothing like the Holley Blue or the Edelbrock. You can barely hear it buzzing, and when you crank up the engine, you don't hear it at all. Barely makes any noise with the engine running. Yeah, I've got exhaust leaks everywhere because the exhaust isn't obviously not finished yet. But yeah, so there you go. The Carter fuel pump is quiet. And there it is, right under there. Easy as anything to install. No big deal. Did another video on, just assembling the fuel pump. You got a ground wire against the frame, and your power wire going to your relay or however you're getting power to it. Then make sure you got your in and out flow of the fuel correct, and that's it. Quiet as you please. And it's putting out a good, 6.5 PSI, which is perfect for most carbureted engines. So yeah, there you go. Look for the link down below. Oh yeah, I'm thoroughly pleased. That is exactly what I was hoping for. So yeah, I got other videos about assembling it, and I know a lot of people complain about noisy fuel pumps, electric fuel pumps, and this one definitely is not. So that's it. Check out my other videos. We got all kinds of cool stuff. We'll see you.